Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having the most wonderful day. Today guys, I want to show you what I got from eBay. So I purchased this big, massive, large mystery box from eBay, and this mystery box I got a discount on. So I got everything inside this box. I think the original price was £20. I didn't actually think it was going to be this big, but I got a discount and I got it for £18 with free shipping. Now this is a random mystery box. I did ask for no duplicates as part of the mystery box. They couldn't guarantee it. That's perfectly okay, but I'm super excited. I love mystery boxes. I don't know if this is going to be total and utter junk or whether we're going to get anything reasonably decent, but we're going to go ahead and check. Oh my God, they've taped this up within an inch of its life. They were definitely working on the premise that in delivery, this would not open. Oh my gosh, so much tape. I'm just going to rip right into it. Okay, guys. And yes, I'm wearing gloves, but I'm wearing gloves for a reason. I don't know what's inside this mystery box. And it's a random mystery box. So I don't know well, I do know who it's from because I got it on eBay, but I don't know what's inside it. Don't know how dusty it is. Don't know what we're looking at here. But I'm going to give you guys a quick, I'm just moving out of chair so I can set it beside me because it is huge and it takes up a lot of the space. I'm going to give you guys a quick look inside. Just this. Let me lift you guys up really quickly. This is what it looks like when we first open it. Let's just maybe move it. Put you guys down first, shall we? And then let's maybe move it to the side. Oh, it is huge mystery box. So I'm just going to pull them out as they come. So the first item that I've got, this looks like it's brand new, is decorations. Oh, it's right here. This is a happy birthday decoration set. It looks like you get everything that you need to make all of, I don't know if you get all of these. Let's see, can we open it? Guys, and just an FYI, this video might end up in 2 parts, but I will link each part in the description so you guys can look. The box is huge and I don't want the video to be super long, so let's just have a look and see what we get inside. I'm just checking to see if we get, oh yeah, you do. Oh wow. So inside, stop rustling. Inside the pack, you get everything you need to make this entire setup, which I think is pretty awesome. I don't know how these stay up. I mean, there's obviously no helium, but there must be something in there to get them to stay up. But I think that's super duper cute. I mean, I don't know what I'd pay for that. Maybe about £4 or £5. So I think that's awesome. We've got more decorations. Okay, we've got paper decoration fans. It's a set of 6. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yet 2 big, 2 medium, and 2 small. I mean, this is probably something that you'd pick up at pound shop, dollar store, depending on where you live, for a couple of £, maybe about £2. But they are so pretty. And I mean, if I was having a party, I would definitely use those. So I think they're not too bad. Definitely say £2. So we're going to go with, we have £7 so far. Oh gosh, we have more decorations. I really hope this isn't just a bag full of decorations. This is just another bag of decorations. I'm not really sure. Let's have a look inside. I probably didn't need the gloves, but I thought, I might as well just be safe. So you've got inside the pack, you've got, a pack of balloons. They look like they're animal printed balloons. We have, okay. These are not animal prints. These are actually cactus. So you have your cactus balloons. You have some sombrero little cake toppers. You have some cactus decorations and some more decorations. I don't know what this decoration says something inside it. But if I can get a picture of it when it's fully out, I'll put it somewhere on the screen. I will try and do that, guys, for you and insert it after the video. But I mean, for a pack of, I'm not even going to try. For a pack of decorations like that, maybe another £2, I guess. I think we're at £5, £6, £7, £8, £9 already. So we're getting there to getting my money back. What the heck is this? The box is so annoying. So we've got some sort of fabric something. Oh, so this, okay, I know what this is because it says it right here. This is a waterproof sofa, couch, chair, book, magazine, TV, remote control, I'm assuming holder. So let's see. Oh, the gloves don't make it easy. Rip it open. Okay. Oh, this is nice. This is a nice, nice fabric. It is almost like a mauve, and it does exactly what it says it does. It goes over the arm of your sofa. It does have a bit here to make sure that it doesn't slip. You can pop that down in between your cushions, and that will hold everything in place. And then you put all of your remote controls, magazines, bottle of juice, maybe, I don't know, in the side. I think this is pretty cute. Will I use it? Probably not. I will probably pop this into a giveaway or sell it on my eBay or Vinted site. Not really sure, but I mean, I think this is definitely worth at least £2. So I'm estimating that we're at £11, and this box is still jam-packed. What are these? Oh my gosh, super random. These, I've got 2 cards. Awesome. These are glittery cards. You can see the glitter on the inside. You guys probably can't, but they're really pretty. They've got an eagle. I'm assuming this is an eagle. Feel free to challenge me in the comment section. I'm really up for being educated. But these, oh, these are cute. So these have got like a gold. Does it say what they are? They are decal design, 3D inspired, pop-up image of an eagle. I was right, it was an eagle. So these are just really nice cards, but it says it's pop-up. So do I want to test that? I think I do. You've got some stickers inside. I don't know what they're for. We'll maybe find that out another time, but this is the card. Oh my gosh. I did not expect that at all. That is so cute. This is, if you can dream it, you can do it. It is a bit, I mean, the bird's a little fragile, but it's really, really cute. I am actually really, really happy with that. I definitely will use those cards. We're not even going to put these back inside. We'll do that after, but they're super duper cute. I mean, they're definitely worth at least £1 each. So what did I say we were at? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We're at £13 so far. I think that's pretty good. Nothing so far has been like disastrous. Like I'm never going to use it or sell it or do something with it. I don't know. Let's pull out a few more items inside this box. Okay. What? Okay, we have these. These are leather, react, and coffee. I don't know what that means. Let's open them up. And we'll pop both out. Throw that up there. Oh, right, okay. So these are key wallets. I've never seen anybody use these in more recent times. These were definitely when my granda was around. My granda would have had these that you can slip a bit of money in this side. I like the blue on the inside with the black. It's really cute. You can put all of your keys in. You can also stick some money in here. I don't know what you would put behind there. Probably nothing, but you would attach all of your keys here, close it up, and then attach this to your bag or your purse. I mean, I think these are cute. The brown one, okay, the brown one is just brown inside. That's totally fine. Are they real leather? They certainly are. So they're real leather key pouches, which I think is pretty nice. I mean, these are probably worth a couple of £1 each. I definitely say even £1 each. Definitely get £1 for those. So what were we on? I keep having to do this recount. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. No, 5. 5, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, 12, 13, 14, 15. We're on £15 and the box isn't even, I haven't even dented it. I hate getting phone cases. I just hate them. So this is a fashion case. Original, slim, ultra slim and soft to touch. Powerful super protection for a phone. I'm not going to open this, guys, because I will try to resell it, but it is for a book style magnetic lock for an ASUS. I don't know what that is. Zenfone 6, and it's in rose gold. I mean, phone case. I mean, £2, I guess. What were we at? 13? I don't even know if we were at 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I'd probably sell that for £1 and just say it's £1. So we're at £15 maybe. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this, I'm not going to open it again because it's sealed. This is a piping bag. I mean, this is not worth more than £1. I'm going to say £1. That's maybe £16. £16. What else do we have? We have a screen pro glass. It's tempered glass screen. Do I know what phone it's for? It says it's a Jamida 3-pack screen protection for a Note 8 Pro. I mean, is a Note 8 Pro really, really old? Who knows? It has everything in here. It has the 3 screens, 1, 2, 3. So that's pretty good. I mean, guys, honestly, I think £1 for that is probably about as good as it's going to get. I don't know anybody who has a Note 8 Pro, but I mean, £1, or what are we on to? £16, I think. I mean, we're almost there for our money, right? Guys, this is going to be, let me pull out another couple of items. We'll just do a couple more in this video, and then we will honestly come ahead and do a part 2. Because this video is already super lengthy. But this is a watch band. I know. Boring. Ooh. This has got heart inside it. That's a little bit more interesting. It says, "Dear friends, thanks for your support to our products. Sincerely hope that you have a pleasant shopping experience and enjoy the surprise of the band you buy. Blah, 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 blah. Thanks again and best wishes from these people." I don't know who these are. This is made in China. So this is an Apple Watch band. An Apple Watch band? Okay, maybe a bit more interesting. Oh, okay, this is actually cute if you have an Apple Watch. So you have the face, which is here. So you have the protector here. Then you have the Apple Watch band. I don't know how these attach, but I'm sure whoever has an Apple Watch knows how to do that. And it's in navy blue with rose gold, which is quite cute. So, I mean, I'm going to estimate this at £2. Who knows what these really cost, but I'm going to estimate it at £2. And just say, guys, I think we're maybe at our 18. So all of this, it covers the price of the whole box. I'm going to show you 2 more things, and then we're going to say goodbye, and then we're going to do a part 2. We have a, oh my gosh. We have, I hope there's a toothbrush in here to match this. Because I think these are toothbrush specific. But they are soft bristles, 4-piece toothbrush heads. They're suitable for all current toothbrushes. Oh, okay, so they're universal. All right. Nice. I mean, £2, £1, maybe, who knows? I'm not mad at it. And then this. I don't really have a lot of good things to say about these silicone cases for AirPods or AirPod-like products, but I wouldn't pay more than £1 for this. This is just straightforward black silicone. I mean, it doesn't shut. There's no clips on it. It's just ultimately to protect your AirPods. I guess I would pay £1 for that. I think for the first part of this video, I don't think we've done too bad. If you really calculate the price of everything here up, I've probably made my money back. Will I sell it all? Who knows? I might see if anybody wants anything or maybe give it away. Who knows? But I think for the first half of this video, I haven't done too bad. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I am really sorry I have to split it up, but I don't want my videos to be super duper long. I want you guys to be able to watch a video and still have some of your evening left. But if you guys like the video, please smash that like button. If you're not yet a subscriber, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you here. And don't forget about the notification bell to be notified of any of my future videos. In the interim, also, feel free to leave a comment. I really like when you guys leave comments. I really love responding. So please leave a comment. I would love it. And guys, stay safe. Take care. Look out for each other. I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody. Bye-bye.